Have you ever been laying in the bed and you hear this sound? I mean, it can be 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. It don't matter what time it is, and you hear this sound right here. You hear that? If you in the bed at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning and you hear that sound, uh, it's gonna be hard for you to go back to sleep. It's hard for me to go back to sleep. I'm getting ready to get up and show you what to do. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Fixaholic number 1. Today we're going to be showing y'all how to get rid of that annoying smoke alarm or fire alarm, whatever you want to call it, when that thing starts doing that beeping. Today we're going to show you how to get rid of that noise and the tools you're going to need. I'm going to show you the tools you need. First of all, you're going to need your fingers. Second of all, you're going to need something to stand on, unless you're tall enough where you don't need something to stand on. So, 2 tools, something to stand on. My little granddaughter step ladder, it'll hold me. Number 1 was a step ladder. Number 2 is your fingers. They're the only 2 tools you're going to need to complete this job. Stay tuned. See you in the video. I'll find you something to step on. I'm using my little granddaughter's step ladder. So what you want to do, you want to step up on that thing like I am. And that's that devil right there that you keep hearing beeping. This part here, you want to push it up and pull it back down. Now this is what you want to pay attention to. This right here is bigger than this side. So what you want to do is just reach up there like that, and just pull towards you. It comes right out. You see that? See how this side is bigger than this side? So it's labeled up in there. Let's see if I can get y'all focused. You see the plus on this side? With the plus, it's going to be this one. So you want this little one to match that plus right there. So what you want to do, you're going to slide your 9-volt battery. It's a 9-volt battery. Just slide it in where this little one matches the plus that's up here on the inside of this fire alarm or smoke alarm. And then you want to push that back up. Rid of that annoying sound while you're trying to sleep. Do it just like I showed you. Like, comment, and subscribe. And look at my next video. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.